check. Okay, we good. So what's going on, guy? I was driving to pick up some GoPro, and guess what happened? This board here, so it's a Motogp Shifter, so it's the opposite. Let's go one up and the rest is down, and this thing started losing out. And then when I was on highway, I just see this thing dangling down right here, and I was like, fuck. So I pulled over, and I was on my 5th gear, so I hold the clutch, hit the kill switch, and then yeah, I managed to hand tight them. Went to the gas station. Nobody have Allen key for some reason. Everyone's like, we have a bunch at home, but not with them. So yeah, I hand tight them as much as possible. Don't mind the zip tie. I tried zip tie so it doesn't fall. So I went to the mechanic up the Mercedes lately. That's where I have all my car changing stuff. So I came by there. I was like, hey Dan, you bringing a Mercedes for meeting? I was like, no, I'm bringing a bike. And it's like, wait, a bike? You know that we don't do bike mechanic. I was like, I know. I have a problem because I cannot drive down a road, or if I lose the ball, then I'm screwed. And yeah, so one of the mechanic guy came out. He was awesome. He helped me a little bit. He was having a question about like how the bike, how he wants to get into bike, but he's kind of scared that bike's way too dangerous. Therefore he's kind of asked me questions like blah blah blah, and then I follow on this Instagram, and I told him, I was like, hey, if you get your license, I'm fine helping you, because usually I don't like people paying to help, like riding, like you ride a mechanic class, like you ride the skill test in the parking lot, and after that you're on your own. But that's a lot that they don't teach. The MSD class, I noticed they don't teach you as much. Like from past spring, I've been driving this, and therefore I've been helping like a couple of guys, new rookie. Some of them have the Ducati 959. And from the last video, there you go. Yeah, so from the last few guy, they were like, yeah, is this a starting bike? I was like, not really. I mean, you could do as a starting, but that's pretty hard. God, I'm warm. Oh, hold up, I need to God damn. Just give me 1 second. That's the first stall I ever done, and that was the smoothest stall I ever done. See, check if everything's out. Everything's out there. Okay, good. Okay. Don't die, my shifter. I swear to God, I struggle in it. So yeah, it's right now BC's it's actually 10 degrees right now. It's not that cold, and this is the last day in January before the whole week is raining. So I just want to get a ride up. I bought another GoPro, so I'm gonna put it down under my tail light to get my exhaust sounds. Therefore, so you guys can hear the exhaust sounds more. Yeah, so we're gonna head down back to Langley, back to Aberford. Oh, this bike's so tall. But yeah, so seems like all the switching. I still have no, not STD. What the fuck am I saying? PSD from that bolt losing out. I keep looking down every a minute. I was like, okay, it's still there. It's good. That's all good then. So yeah, happy New Year, everyone. And I hope you all have a great start of the 2023. It does feel weird, like Christmas went by fast too. I did not even notice that. Like it went fast, and then now we're in January, and therefore I kind of finished bike modified, and so everything's all done. I don't think there's any missing. There's nothing that's missing now. I mean, except the sticker for my Instagram and YouTube. Oh, look at that spoiler. What the hell? Never see that spoiler before. That's the spoiler. Never see that before. love shoulder check. I don't know how many times I did the shoulder check, but I was looking a lot. Oh, but yeah, bike's feeling good. That was just the only scary part, is the shifter that fell off today. I think I need to go home and Loctite them into the ball so it doesn't fall out anymore. And yeah, the motor shifter is I just bought the lever instead, like not the whole reset, just the lever, and I only need to switch up the ODM lever, so it's not that hard. Gladly it took me 20 minutes. It usually take me like an hour, 2 hours just to work on one part of the bike, and it doesn't include with like how pissed I was. Literally, I always have an anger issue when I'm showing you something. Therefore, I'm glad that got them done, got them out of the way, test them out. It worked fine, and I love it. I love the motor shifter. Oh, but yeah, this is just a ride. You know what? I mean, I almost hit 2,000 kilometers on this, so I bought the bike from the owner. He only had 1,200. I mean, he had 6 bikes, so I bought it from him, and I switched out oil, fluid, brake fluid, and everything, because he left it for 6 years. It's a 2016, so I bought it in 2022, so he left it for 6 years in the garage. He took care of it, so it's not bad. Oh, I should have turned left. Damn. Definitely missed my exit again. Too busy talking. I need to do a U-turn then. Oh, I'm in school zone now? Damn. Oh, I just realized it's raining here. The road's all wet and I don't like it. Huh, I like roundabout. I know, I'm just a sword. I don't know how to do a U-turn. I'm just doing roundabout. It's more easier. If I don't slide my bike, it would. But yeah, so the owner. Oh, I don't like this. Oh. I don't like these steers at all. But yeah, so I bought it from this owner. He was gonna put the SC project too, and I was like, you could have done that so I can buy cheaper, but so I rode it for like a couple 200. I think I rode for 200 kilometers with the stock exhaust. It sounds very quiet. Like even my mom was like, yeah, your Ninja 650 was louder than this, and I was like, damn. She be roasting it. It's same as my girlfriend too. Like she was like, yeah, it's not loud as like my last bike, and my last bike's only 650. It's like a V2 engine, and I don't know how it's loud. Like they mentioned about the stocks. Their stock is louder than this bike stock, but I was like, damn, stop roasting me though. That's kind of mean. You don't need to do that. It's a little bit windy, but yeah, so after, why is she looking at me like that? That's kind of scary. Everyone say that Rsv4 exhaust sounds like a Mustang though. Is that true? I'm pretty sure that's a myth. Tell me, what does it look like? And doesn't sound like Mustang to me. I don't know what people's thinking, but yeah, I can't really, hard to tell, because I don't know what it's like car sounds like some of the time, so therefore I can't really tell. I was like, it sounds like a really smooth exhaust compared to the 650. 650 is kind of like pop like Harley. I don't like Harley exhaust, so that's why kind of hard to tell. I mean, I know that it's not popping sound, so why is it so slow? Oh. Oh, the road's kind of slippery, I don't want to risk it. Oh, and it's red light anyway, so... bunch of camera around here. Yeah, if I lane split, I'm kind of fucked. I don't have my license plate though, so I'm good, but I'm pretty sure they can track me down though. This guy wearing a flamer, and oh, that's a motorcycle. Oh, he doesn't say hi. Man, that's kind of mean. My bad. Can't believe some motorcycle, they're just like brand new rookie. It's just like, nah, I'm not saying hi to this man because I don't know who they are. I'm good. That's why I always look behind. I was like, okay, there's no car, I'm good. Oh, it's so windy. Woo, that was nice. Like, that's like 40% of the throttle, and I'm not even trying. Like, that's how crazy they are. Like just like 40% throttle, it's like you're going that fast already. Man, this bike, I love it. The only issue I have this bike is the maintaining, so I mean I did the full oil change, brake fluid and everything. That cost me around close to $700 because the label was like $150 per hour, so it only took them 2.5 hours. But the rest is just so expensive and I don't like it. So, you good there? Oh, goddamn, this is good. Man, this man's going so fast. Oh, he's still the bike. Damn it. Okay, good. I give that guy some space so he can just go my lane. But that guy scared the shit out of me though. Man, 100 for it. Okay, there's no cost, that's all I mean. Okay, shift is good. Oh my god, I'm getting scared. I don't want to lose the shift, or else I won't be going home. I mean, I could, but like I won't be able to shift that much. I don't know if I should do Loctite though, because that's kind of like up. One car is going down, another car is going down. Okay, it's getting cold because I'm going a little bit faster. like 5 layer jacket, but just a ripped jeans, so I'm like freezing. Oh, this bike's fast. Oh, sorry, Kayla. Oh yeah, that's. I was just sunny. The sun would help a little bit. And oh my god, I wonder because like this, because I met the whole group of Facebook people. They all like they have S1000 or Rsv4, the brand new, the 2022, and I think some of them have Gixxer 1000, no, Gixxer R1000R, and then I think that's a Honda Fireplate, and I'm hoping to meet any of them with a Ninja issue. That sound would be nice though. I want to see Ninja issue in person. I haven't seen them. I never see them like ride it. I mean, I see them all over YouTube and stuff, but never see them in person before. I wonder how loud it is because like I saw the dyno tune in like in Kawasaki. Oh god. See? That's what I told you. The bike's sick. Yeah, I want to go. Like literally the bike's like, I want to go so fast. Yeah, I want to see Ninja issue because oh shit. Well, thank you Africa. If those cars would not do it, I would not see it. So that's why I can't even dodge it. Oh, I forgot about this road. This road might be bad because they have the construction thing. I had this cops. What if I say way too much? It's like, hey, if I was speeding right now, they would just go U-turn around, but I mean, I think like I'm like not much motorcycle riding today though, because like it's kind of like weather. It's kind of rain. It feels like it is, but it's surprised not raining. So